The IT Service Provider Benchmarking Study, conducted in February 2013 by Decision Tree Labs, found pronounced trends towards the use of integrated business management systems that enable greater efficiencies and support fact-based decision-making among independent technology solution providers. The data indicates that businesses tracking utilization rates, customer satisfaction, account and contract profitability, and other KPIs have a more confident outlook on market opportunities and trends, and more realistic expectations for overall firm performance. The IT Service Provider Benchmarking Study revealed that IT service providers are realizing that data is the most powerful tool in their toolbox. Optimism is high, with more than 60% of service providers using a business management tool forecasting revenue growth of 15% or higher in 2013, and a majority reporting client renewal rates of 90%. Specifically, the survey found that respondents reported the greatest amount of potential from expansion of cloud and hosted applications, mobile device management, the consumerization of IT, and added demands on end-user networks. Service providers noted that their clients are changing their buying behavior and shifting their budgeting priorities to expansion of cloud and hosted applications, the consumerization of IT, and a move from CapEx to OpEx. Service providers are shifting their focus from break-fix to managed services and seizing the opportunity to maximize their bottom line. According to 229 respondents, managed services was the top growth area in 2012 and tops the list for potential growth in 2013. Service providers are also starting to see a shift from where their business comes from. Although small businesses were a mainstay in 2012, they expect the mid-market to be a bigger growth driver in 2013. A higher percentage of service providers are turning to automation to help manage bigger customers and more sophisticated models. Respondents who use business management platforms and client engagements are able to automate and efficiently manage myriad solutions cost-effectively, including backup, disaster and recovery, remote monitoring management, and email services and protection. Of the IT service providers using a business management tool, the majority reported that more than 50% of their staff was using a PSA on a regular basis, indicating that its impact is pervasive across the organization at all levels. IT service providers ranked targeted metrics as a high priority to tracking the health of their business. Customer service topped the list, followed by customer profitability and tech utilization. Profitability by contract type and SLA performance garnered more than 50% of respondents. Although service providers reported tracking metrics as important to the health of their business, some of the more important metrics, such as utilization rates, continue to present challenges in terms of hitting targets. On average, respondents with business management systems target utilization rates of 80%, whereas respondents that do not have a business system in place have much higher expectations. This leads one to believe that the utilization rates for business management system users are likely based on fact, whereas the higher rates are simply hopeful. Measuring efficiency helps IT businesses understand where they may be wasting time, resources, and money, up to 20 hours per month in many cases. For a firm with 5 employees, that has the potential to add up to 100 man-hours lost per month. Providers using integrated business management platforms appear to have several advantages: less hours lost and more billable time than their counterparts who do not use a fully integrated IT business management platform. Firms losing anywhere from 10 to 50 billable hours per month due to inefficient processes will realize it quickly adds up to significant revenue losses over the course of a year. As an example, we calculated what the revenue hit could be for just 10 billable hours lost per month per employee. Firms with 5 employees are losing $60,000 annually, while those with 25 employees can anticipate an annual loss of $300,000. Companies with 100 employees are looking at a $1.2 million loss in billing revenue. Respondents using business management platforms report higher billable rates, indicating the ability to sell on value versus price, as evidenced by reported rates of over $100 per hour for 60% of all business management platform users. A majority of service providers using a business management tool is predicting growth of 15% or higher for 2013. They're able to effectively identify growth opportunities with their customers, increase efficiency among their technicians, and focus on more profitable areas such as managed services. Best-in-class service providers are applying business data and analytics to drive profitability and growth. To learn more about how tracking KPIs can lead to a more accurate understanding of your firm's overall performance, download our free ebook at Autotask.com.